Coronary angioplasty or PTCA, percutaneous transluminal coronary angioplasty, is a medical procedure used to open arteries which have narrowed so much that they obstruct blood flow to the heart. Once angioplasty is recommended, preparation for angioplasty is needed. The doctor will examine the patient before an angioplasty and review the medical history. Routine tests like chest X-ray, angiogram, ECG, blood tests might be performed. The patient will receive instructions on diet and medications. The doctor needs to be informed about any allergies, especially to X-ray dye or iodine, and the current medications. How is angioplasty performed? The entire procedure takes 30 minutes to a couple of hours. The patient will remain awake throughout the procedure and is free to ask any questions. Any unusual sensations must be reported to the doctor. A local anesthetic will be injected into the groin area. A small incision is made and a small tube called a sheath will be inserted into the femoral or radial artery. A guide wire is then inserted into the sheath. Aided by X-ray images on the monitor, the doctor threads a catheter over the guide wire into the heart and coronary arteries. A dye is then injected through the catheter to visualize heart and coronary arteries. Using a special type of X-ray called fluoroscopy, the physician can see blockages as the dye moves through the arteries. Once an obstruction is detected, a guide wire is inserted through obstructed area. A balloon catheter is threaded over the guide wire into the obstruction. Once the balloon is positioned in the narrowing of the artery, it is inflated and deflated several times in order to press the plaque back against the wall of the artery. When the doctor is satisfied that the artery has opened, the balloon is removed. This procedure is generally successful and has a low rate of complications.